We got to get your mind right, Dave. Nope. Here. You're walking away. We're going to do the hokey pokey and we're going to turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about, David. Thanks, man. Or wait. We got to make sure you don't have anything on you, man. I haven't had a chance to pat you down yet. What's in this pocket here? Is that money?
I called earlier, and the police came out, and he said if David, my son, shows up again, let him know. He's here knocking on. Anyway, he's here trying to knock my door down.
Okay, his name. What's his name?
David Brown. The police already been out here once. They already noticed the way. They said if he calls again, just let y'all know.
So it says here for the previous run, he's diagnosed with schizophrenia.
Yeah, anyway, he's talking to himself. He's tearing my house up. He's tearing my yard up. He's throwing stuff in the neighbor's yard.
Does he live with you?
No.
You see him back?
No, I walked through the yard already.
He was here.
What's he wearing?
I didn't really come out and look at him this time because he was trying to beat the door down.
He messed with your camera. Does that camera work?
Yeah, it worked.
It was pointed the wrong direction. I turned it around.
You turned it. He did that this morning.
Did he?
I had to turn it. Because the anyway, he's totally, I'm going to see what he did today.
Yeah.
He got my lawnmowers back out. I put them all back in.
Did you really?
I can't go nowhere to go. I was going to go to Zettler, like you told me. Yeah, he got all this stuff out. Took everything out of here.
Yeah, I walked all the way back and looked in the alley and I didn't see him. Is that back
He
gate locked?
took all this stuff out.
Is there a lock on that back gate towards the alley?
No.
Okay.
I got it. I got it down with, what do you call them, oh my God, he really didn't have it. He played habit back there.
Yeah, it looks like he was back out here just tossing stuff around.
Look at it.
Yeah.
These scissors. I got all three of my lawnmowers back out. He been in this trash can. What are you doing in this trash can? He might have went out this back gate.
Yeah.
Oh, I know
that might be him. Hang out. Is he wearing a brown hoodie?
Yeah, he might be.
I saw somebody. Yeah. What's up, man?
Not Al Gore, though.
No. What are you doing? Come on up here.
Where the shoes go?
Shoes are everywhere.
Not mine.
Yeah, they are. You got shoes over there?
Yeah, right over there.
Let's go get those.
Okay.
You got shoes out back?
Nah, not that either.
Why are you doing this stuff today, David?
But I'm trying to make some money, bro.
How are you trying to make some money?
Work out with push-ups.
Well, you don't make money doing push-ups.
That's what they call it when you get good. Is that him?
Yeah. Why are you walking around with those shoes and socks on, man?
Because, hey, you need no...
Grab those socks right there. You got to get all this stuff out of your dad's bushes, Dave.
He's a burning bush at it. Ugly! It's like, no, he look. He look okay.
Dave, you're having a bad day, man.
Nah, Badger. Oh, yeah, I am having a bad day.
Yeah.
I went to court.
You had court? Hey, let's get your socks and your other shoes here, man.
They had a whole bag. You had a whole bag of shoes I got in the house.
I don't care, though, man. If I'm trying to clean up, I love the world.
So what? You didn't clean up these. Where you get all these bags of shoes?
I don't know, dog. Okay. I went to the mall.
Let's go put these in your
house.
your box.
What do you mean I should have insurance on my house? I got insurance on my house.
You got, man, shut up, bro. You got shit.
What do you?
Shut up.
I'll take care of it for you, bud.
That's totally different.
What are you doing with the lawnmowers, man?
Yeah, I wanted to start cutting grass.
Well, you can't do that without your dad's permission. Let's put the lawnmowers back. What are you doing? Let's push these lawnmowers back to where they belong. Let's do this for your dad. Come on. One night I've gotten a guy here at the house if he can start another car this one.
You said start another car?
Hey, from
I copy. 191, can you head that way? 179 New Showville. You need him on a 60?
nope.
Okay.
What was you gonna plan on doing?
911.
Here, let's just get him. He's gonna clean everything up for you. Focus on one thing at a time.
Okay.
Copy.
You got it.
Yeah, I got him.
You don't have no path. Your brush. Your left brush.
Okay. What else do you have to clean up here?
Fully. Don't come up.
Where do these white and black shoes come from?
I brought them out of the alley, but I think they take you out of the store. They didn't use that.
Okay. Well, if you don't need them, let's put them in the trash. You gonna put them in your bag?
That means how you never.
Don't break anything. Right. David, what are you doing, man? You can't run with your pants like that. Alright. Let's pick up your blankets and stuff. Were you a quarterback in school?
Never.
No? Receiver?
Never.
Defensive back?
Something like that.
That's good. I was never fast enough for that.
So you was 4-4.
I was a linebacker and a lineman.
4.
Sure.
So a running back's running. Whoa.
Yeah.
Safety.
What are you doing? Let's get these blankets and stuff out of the middle of the yard.
You never have a gun.
Yeah.
No one messes.
You don't need any of that stuff, David.
Nah.
We're out back. Alright.
The ball was
You're not going to need that.
This is the best cuts.
Well, let's put them down. Let's put them back.
You don't want Moses to
Is that trash bag for keeps or is that trash?
trash keeps.
Okay, we'll put it in the keeps trash can then.
Commandment is definitely in the bottom. In the show.
We've been cleaning up a little bit. He had his dad's lawnmowers out by the back gate. And he put those away for me. He's going to go over our heads. Alright, David. You got everything cleaned up? Okay.
Radio at 9100 and 193.
David, stop fooling. Listen, you're having a bad day, right?
Yeah.
What's going on? Why are you having such a bad day? Now you guys,
I try to play.
David, you cleaned up. Now you're gonna stop and focus. Talk to us, okay?
832 Wedgewood, number 1.
What's going on, man? Why are you out here?
I'm trying to compete with
Well,
the classic.
Your dad said that you guys got together, celebrate your mom's birthday the other day. Took you out to dinner and stuff.
But I'll pay for it.
Okay, but then
Show us money.
But he said you started acting strange after that.
Cause he kept giving me that shouldn't be in the drinks.
Okay. Have you been out here on the street for like the last 4 days?
Even if I was trying to make it to heaven.
Okay.
Cause God's marches to heaven.
Did you use any street drugs?
I don't like street drugs.
No.
I don't like cancer or nothing.
Have you been not taking your meds like you're supposed to?
Huh?
I know you take meds. Have you been taking them like you're
I
supposed
didn't
to?
even like them meds.
I know you don't like them, but they make
I don't
you
like
better.
to season my food with sugar.
Okay, that doesn't make any sense, David.
It's seasoning, bro.
So,
It's salty.
do you still have your place up on Cleveland Avenue or off of Cleveland?
Yes.
Why haven't you been there? Stay here, David.
Because
Stay
you
here and talk.
give me a-
David, stay here and talk to us. You gotta stop walking away, man. Why didn't you go back home to your spot?
Because that was a place I shouldn't even apologize for. I love it.
Okay.
I effing love it.
Well, good. I'm glad you love it. But that's where your meds and everything are, right?
No, my meds are all over the place.
Okay. Where do we normally take you that you get the best help when we take you someplace?
To heaven.
Well, I don't have
For
access to that today.
heads, hell.
Um,
Double hockey sticks.
I
Columbus,
feel like last time, David, we took you to
Columbus Blue Jackets would never get ice.
does Grant sound like a good idea?
Yeah, Grant.
Okay.
It's Grant with Jackson.
He wants to go to Grant.
With Jackson. But not, whoa, I can't. That's a, well, oh, whoa.
Yeah, buddy.
It's Frank. He's a good friend of mine.
Frank's good.
Yeah. You just want to get in my car?
Nah, your car is.
Well, the back door works. The front door doesn't
I
work.
seen it like that.
Come over to the other side.
That is, you don't.
Come to this side of the car, David.
Cars don't get hit like that from the police.
It was a really bad dude. It was a really bad dude that did that.
Yeah.
All right,
David,
David, we're gonna get in this car. No,
David, over here, bud.
unless you want to ride with Frank instead.
What's going on?
Bipolar, schizophrenic, uses street drugs.
That is horrible.
One or two, I'm right across the street.
We got to get your mind right, Dave. Nope, here. You're walking away. We're gonna do the hokey pokey and we're gonna turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about, David. Thanks, man. Here, wait. We gotta make sure you don't have anything on you, man. I haven't had a chance to pat you down yet. What's in this pocket here? Is that money?
I wish I had a microwave.
Some pocket change? I don't want to fight with you and the boys. Alright, go grab a seat for us.
It's a little tricky. You gotta swing your leg over. There you go.
You never met him?
No.
Is Brown his last name?
His social was on the
Okay.
so we were able to pull that up.
We've been here a bunch. He doesn't live here. His dad lives here.
Okay.
When he gets spastic like this, he'll come down to his dad's and spend days. He'll go in the backyard. If you saw those clothes and stuff,
Yeah.
he'll go to homeless outreach places and get boxes of stuff,
Okay.
bring it here, throw it all over the place, and then demand that his dad let him in. His dad's like, "No, you can't come in. We've been through this." You
Okay.
know.
Mom passed away last year. She
Okay.
would sometimes let him in, sometimes not. But that,
So it just keeps going back.
they're good people. So it's just,
That's.
So what's he doing? Is he doing anything that's meeting criteria? Or is
Oh yeah.
Okay. So is this the banging on doors and what else?
Well,
was it?
he's just not making any sense. Like, he kept lining his dad's lawnmower, all his broken lawnmowers up by the back gate to take them.
Yeah.
And then when I finally got a hold of him today, he was like, "I want to start mowing yards to make some money." thinks he's going to do that, and then he'll grab like a football and pretend he's playing football, throw it across the yard, run after it, and just not having any kind of coherent conversation.
We asked him about his meds, and he looked at us and said, "I season my food with sugar."
Yeah, because I don't even like salt and pepper. But he has a place up off Cleveland Avenue where his meds and everything are. He comes down here without them and starts using cocaine.
Is he in a group home like off of Cleveland, or?
I don't know. I know that it was set up through services.
Okay.
That's all I know. His dad might be able to provide that info.
Is his dad willing to speak?
Yeah, his dad's awesome.
Yes, that's really nice.
Let me go check with him.
Yeah, let me shut my door so this car can get by.